CCTV
Hatu pindon am kathong man long kita kinong shed hagi hotel and hagi restaurant ibapau hamokam hilaban pun orlong e kathong kajongpi ke emission club play bani ai ki course ki baper kadon ka degree course ka diploma baga advanced diploma course
Kakinhun Meghalaya Democratic Alliance 2 hakalai tarik jalio a japan rio dakoi kasur kala ajing Kyrshan man Ïakhun yau James PK Sangma kung ukurtong hak election Rajya Sabha kapan salong hak khat pratrik jalio a japan rio hakajikran bikilap thai khubor usketri jangka parliamentary party uba polling do uba deru wemli ka West Shillong constituency ulai thu bala pensyai kinungelam jong baru agi party Kibadan nakakanhun halo ke election balai keren halo ki kertong baper platarwa lagi sengsan pertai kibai trailang hak Mda-Ii Ulaong dakawai gasur larai man ajing Kyrshan yu kertong platarwa daka National People's Party kabadai kakanhun kababon pat hapu aga Mda-Ii hakabai dipan baka election MP sing samai Shillong parliamentary constituency lailan haki party bagin shimila ka jongkarai lakin say nikim say kertong
Today's meeting centered around one major item, which is the nomination and selection of candidate for the Rajya Sabha seat from the state of Meghalaya. So the resolutions adopted are as follows. Number one, the PP leaders, parliamentary party leaders, representing all constituents of the Mda-Ii 2 were briefed about the election scheduled to the Rajya Sabha for the state of Meghalaya on June 18, 2026 and the views of the NPP on the matter by both the national and the state presidents of the NPP. 2. In the course of the discussions, members from the constituent units expressed their various points and indicated their willingness to have their party nominees selected and endorsed as official candidate of the Mda-Ii 2. 3. However, since the various parties had proposed various names of individuals belonging to the respective political parties and there being no point of consensus on a single name, it was decided to follow the established convention of endorsing the proposal put forward by the largest constituent, that is the NPP, in order to ensure cohesion and unanimity on the basis of established parliamentary practice. 3. The meeting therefore unanimously endorsed the NPP's proposal for the candidature of Shri James PK Sangma as Rajya Sabha nominee representing the Mda-Ii 2. 5. However, respecting the wishes of the various constituent members of the Mda-Ii to allow the various parties to take their own call as far as by-elections to the Shillong parliamentary constituency is concerned, it was unanimously agreed that the parties are free to contest / support / stay neutral / stay away from the above by-election. 6. Since there was only one matter for consideration by the meeting today, the Honourable Leader of the Parliamentary Party of the Mda-Ii 2, Shri Sangma, thanked all members present and concluded the meeting with a formal request to all members to work unitedly to ensure the successful realization of the decisions of today's meeting.
The nomination filing will be on the 5th of this month at 2:30. So therefore, since we have all the constituents of the Mda-Ii here today, as mentioned in the resolution, that different political parties have expressed their desire to have their representative from their party as a nominee for the Rajya Sabha, and detailed discussions took place. That's why we took a lot of time. Detailed discussion took place, but at the end, since we could not come up with a consensus on different desires by different political parties, we came to a consensus, and we have all agreed together that we will go as per the kind of democratic process and allow the largest parties nominee to be backed, and therefore the fact that all the political parties who are present today, as you can see all are present, have formally agreed to that, and therefore the question of the whip coming in any other way does not arise. If the whip does come in, it will come in the language that the particular political parties' MLAs will support the candidature, which is the Mda-Ii's candidature. And I think what is important to note is that the candidature which we are proposing now is not a political party's candidature, but now this has been adopted as a resolution as the Mda-Ii's candidate.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks, we help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school with friends and a little bit of hope. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.